everybody! Welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we will be making an amazing Italian lemon ricotta cake. Okay, first off, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Now in a bowl, you will need 3/4 of a cup of softened butter. Mix in 1 cup of sugar with an electric beater until light and fluffy. Add the zest of 3 lemons, then 3 eggs. Add one at a time. Add 1½ cups of ricotta cheese and mix well. Add 1/2 cup of cornmeal, 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and beat well. Pour batter into a parchment-lined spring form. Tap cake onto counter to get rid of any air bubbles. Bake for 55 to 60 minutes. Once out of the oven, let cool completely before adding powdered sugar. This cake is dense, moist, and delicious. Hope you give it a try. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Plate on a Budget. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss another video. See you next time on Plate on a Budget.